What's up, curvy girls all over the world? It is your girl Elisa from stylishcurves.com, and today I'm back with a new video, and I'm very excited for today's video because we have a collective PR haul for you. So I have received some pieces from Eloquii, Nina Parker, and also Diyanu, and then I've also picked up a few pieces myself from some of these brands. So if you are interested in checking out what's new in my closet from the PR haul, then you already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Guys, so let's jump right in and get started. So pretty much everything that I have here that I'm showing you today is from PR, from some of my favorite brands and brands that I've actually worked with. So let's kick things off with Eloquii. So Eloquii sent me this gorgeous teal colored sequin pencil skirt. It is the holiday season, so definitely sequins are a must, but I really love the pencil skirt silhouette. That is actually my personal favorite style of skirt, and this one is a midi length. It definitely stretches at the waist. I really like how this fits. It just skims over my curves, and then this is something that I feel like you can definitely, you know, wear it with like a really nice sexy kind of top. Or what I'm into right now is sweatshirts with dressy skirts. So this with like a cool little sweatshirt, I think is also, you know, really modern and cute and also kind of trendy. But this also comes in another color, which I think is burgundy. You could go ahead and get your true size because there is stretch to this. But this is a great piece, and I personally just cannot wait to wear it. All right, so also Eloquii sent me this color block sweetheart neckline sweater dress. I think this is so cool. It's definitely different because they made the white part of the dress look like a sweetheart neckline, and then you get the black base. This is a nice ribbed knit sweater dress. It is very thick. It's more of a maxi length to me. I really think you could go ahead and just get your true size in this. This is a great dress for the fall, winter season, even for the holiday. If you're going to like just a nice little house party or something, or a little dinner get together, this is great. And I feel like you could also, you know, belt it if you wanted to style it up a different way. But I really just like how this looks and how it fits. It's super cute. Can't wait to wear it. So next up from Eloquii, I did pick up this faux leather zip front skirt. I thought this was really cute, and I've been looking for a leather mini skirt where the length was just comfortable enough for me. And since it's the fall, winter season, I know I can just throw on tights, but I wanted something that even if I didn't want to wear tights with it, that I would still feel comfortable. So I feel like this one kind of does it for me. It definitely hits above the knee, but I get a lot more coverage back here on Big Booty Judy. And what I really like about this skirt, it has pockets on the side, so I definitely like that. And so I sized up because I personally think that this skirt runs small, so I'm gonna say size up. And I did see a review on Eloquii that said it ran small as well, and I personally find it to be a really decent length. Since I'm tall, I'm 5'8", it's a really decent length, so I think you guys should definitely check it out. Okay, so next up from Eloquii, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna buy any more coats. I said this was gonna be the winter season that I was not gonna buy any new coats. But y'all, I saw this gray maxi coat on Eloquii's site, and I said, baby, I need it. I need it. So this is a piece I bought with my own money. It's a great coat. Now this is a polyester blend, but you can't tell me this ain't no real wool. It's a heavy coat. Now typically coats like this, I prefer a belted coat. That's just me. Majority of my coats are belted, but this one is a one button closure, and I like those coats. Almost fell. I like those type of coats as well because I personally like to, you know, define my waist. And I like this because when it's a one button, I feel like it kind of nips in the waist. And this is just an awesome coat. It's an awesome color. Like I told you, I feel like I'm seeing a lot of grays. So this is a super maxi, and this would look super cute with maybe some wide leg jeans, a white button up, or you can do one of the, I could do like a sheer turtleneck under this. And I just feel like you can play around with it. You can obviously wear this with dressed up pieces, but I love coats like this dressed down. When I see a long maxi coat with sneakers, I'm like, yes, girl, go ahead and show them you New York chic. It does have pockets. I cannot wait to rock this coat. Y'all just don't know. Okay, so next up from Eloquii. Now this is a piece that they gifted me. It is this lace placket blouse. Oh my gosh, I love blouses like this because it gives me like a Victorian vibe. And this one has a thin tie neck that is removable, but I just thought this was so cute. Now this one, you could go ahead and get your true size. It is meant to fit a little slightly relaxed, so it's not going to be, you know, super tight, but I just thought this was really cute. I cannot wait to style this. I feel like this is definitely going to look good with maybe like a leather skirt or something, or even shorts, like a pair of cute faux leather shorts. So I love it. Check it out. So the next thing I picked up from Eloquii that I bought myself was this sheer gray turtleneck. I love turtlenecks like these, especially for the fall and winter, because they're really good for layering. So anytime I can get something that's lightweight or sheer in a turtleneck, I'm definitely gonna get it. Now this one also comes, I think, in a chocolate brown, but I thought the gray was different and just kind of more of a refreshing color. This is a really nice turtleneck. You can get your true size. It definitely is very stretchy. As you can see, it's sheer. So check this one out, especially if you're looking for things that you can layer but that are lightweight. This is perfect. All right, y'all, so Eloquii did send me this lace pantsuit. Now, I picked this out. I thought it was cute. Let me get out what I'm trying to say. I thought it was a cute suit, but when I tried it on, I felt like it was a bit too mature for me. Like, I just felt like it was giving mother of the bride. And even when I showed it to Love, he was like, yeah, mommy. He was like, yeah, I don't really like that. But I felt like I had a vision for it, because I was just like, oh, for maybe, you know, an event or something, I could do, you know, like a push-up lace bra under it. You know what I mean? Like a long line bra that would still cover my midsection. And when I tried it on, I don't know. And I think it's the beige, it's the tan lining under the blazer. So it's a one-button blazer, which is my favorite type of cut. And then it also comes with a matching pair of lace wide leg pants. Now the pants do have stretch on the back around the waist. Also, the downside to this is the pants are too short. I don't know what is going on with plus size brands and these short pant lengths. Now, I get it, if you are petite, you're loving this right now. But as a tall girl, it's like, because it's easy to hem pants, it's not easy to make them longer. I think this would have been better if it was just a full lace suit, but all black. But I just wanted to show it to you just in case somebody else thought like, girl, what are you talking about? This is fire. I do like the fit of the blazer over the pants. So let me know what you guys think about the suit. All right, y'all. So I want to show you two dresses that I've got from Diyanu. Again, as I said in the beginning, they are an African print inspired clothing brand. So they have amazing pieces. I have quite a few of their pieces. They had a fall, holiday, and winter collection drop, kind of like all in one. And so I worked with them to do an Instagram reel featuring some of the pieces. So I wanted to show you these two pieces, which is the sweater dresses. Listen, the quality is really good for the price. I love the fit of this one. So this is the tan geometric print cardigan dress. It belts at the waist, but the belt is also removable. It's a fully functioning button front cardigan dress, so it buttons all the way down to the knee because it's a midi length. Y'all, this is so cute and it is very versatile. So you could wear this numerous ways. You can rock it as a dress, but you can also wear it open as a duster. And this also comes in like 4 other prints. Now they range in sizes from an extra small to a 3X. The sweater dress does have stretch, and it also has pockets in the front. So definitely check this one out. I love how this fits. And it actually has a slimming effect on me, especially in the midsection. This is why I tell you guys, don't be afraid of prints. And if you haven't checked this video out, I recently did a video on how to dress a midsection, or if you're an apple-shaped woman. I'll link it down below for you guys to check that out. But it's a really nice cardigan sweater dress, and I cannot wait to wear this. So the next sweater dress I want to show you from Diyanu is this mock neck sweater dress. You already know I was drawn to all of the colors, and I feel like when it comes to sweater dresses, you don't really get a lot of colorful ones in the fall and winter season. So this one is their tribal line sweater dress, and you could just play around with all the colors in here. It kind of has that balloon sleeve as well. This one hits me a little past the knee. It's a really great dress. It's nice and stretchy. So in both of these dresses, I did get a 3X, and it fits me perfectly. I am wearing shapewear under both. Now this also comes in another print. I think it's like a black and brown print, so if you want to check it out. Also, if you use my code StylishCurves15, you will get 15% off of your purchase. I believe it has to be a full price purchase. A lot of their pieces are under $100, so definitely check it out and just tell them Stylish Curves sent you. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna get into some pieces that were gifted to me, sent to me in PR from Nina Parker. So first up, they sent me a ribbed button front sweater dress, and it is in this two-tone color block, black and white style. I love that this has a V-neck and the buttons are all functional. It's a nice, it's more of a lightweight rib knit, but it's really well made. I think it looks really cute, this kind of color block look. So it hits me midi length. Again, I'm 5'8", so this also comes in another color. I can't remember what it is. I think it's like a black and peach, but I thought the black and white was really nice. You know, you can really play around with this, and of course you can unbutton and leave it open as a duster. So definitely check it out. It's nice and stretchy. They did send this to me in a 3X. It fits perfectly, and this is also another sweater dress that I definitely can't wait to wear. So next up from Nina Parker is this trench coat. Now I don't know why they would call this a trench coat, because this to me feels more like a robe type of jacket. I wouldn't even call it a coat. It's more of a lightweight jacket. It's heavier than like a sweater grandpa cardigan, you know, the long ones, basically some of the sweater dresses I showed you today. So it's a little thicker, but it has 2 pockets in the front. It belts at the waist, and I really like this oatmeal color as well. I think it runs true to size. So they sent this to me in a 2X. The 2X fits, but in something like this, I would prefer it a little oversized. So I would have wanted this in a 3, but the 2, as you can see, definitely fits. It feels more, I'm trying to describe the fabric. So someone said it's like fleece. I saw it in one of the reviews. But it's a soft fabric, but it just feels more like a cozy robe, more so than like a trench coat. So just be mindful of that if you like it, because I do like how this looks. It's right up my alley, a little belted jacket, but this is something I just think you can throw on. Well, I would wear more so in like 65-degree weather, you know, 60 degrees. And if I did do it in 55, then I would definitely layer some, you know, turtlenecks under here or something like that. But anyway, I think it's simple, but it's really cute. So if you want to check it out, but the way I'm going to style it is just probably, you know, on those breezy, cooler days where it's not ice cold. And I think it's also a great, just nice long jacket, especially if you live somewhere where it's not freezing cold. Well, all right, guys, that is it for me. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Also, share this video. If you want to keep up with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, along with the notification bell, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. As always, I will have links in the description box for all of the pieces that I showed you today. If something is sold out, I will try to link something similar. And if you guys ever want to just see like what I'm buying, what I'm looking at, make sure you guys follow me over on Like to Know It. I share reviews over there sometimes before I do it here on YouTube. So definitely hit this QR code right here, and that will lead you to my Like to Know It. And also, if you sign up or subscribe to follow me, you will get notified of sales of things that I link. So let's say if I link something that's full price, it will also notify you when it goes on sale. You'll also be updated when I, upload like a new review or a quick video. So make sure you're following me on Like to Know It. And also, if you guys ever want to just keep up with me, you want to know what I'm doing, where I'm going, or what I'm wearing throughout the week, you guys can follow Stylish Curves on Instagram. And for more plus size style, fashion, beauty, make sure you're following the blog, stylishcurves.com. And as always, I enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.